Want to see how we got to that point? Stick around. Hey kids, I'm just going to show you what I've been working on here. Making a body cart. Now this was my old workbench. If you remember it. It was right there for years. I found the date that I built it, 2013. It's 2026. So what I'm going to do, now I've got it shored up enough. I'm going to cut the big legs off and I'm going to put the body on it. It'll either work or it won't. Stick around. All right, there's what it looks like. Look, this is costing me nothing. I already spent it. So now we got to figure out I was going to go with that one. We're going to put a frame on it and then put maybe that one on it. We're going straight for the coupe. I got that ready too. All right, boys and girls. Is it gonna work? I don't know. It's got that far. Only one way to find out. Let's do it. Foreman asked me if I needed help. Of course I need help. Don't tell anybody. Oh, that's beautiful. Other way. Oh, the truth. Yeah, we got the brakes today. Yep. All right. Once again, we're ready, right? Yeah. It didn't work. So we'll have to set it down. Maybe I'll have to use 4x4s or something. So here's what happened. Went over there. Had it up, right? Perfect. Add the, you're the foreman? Yeah. She helped me with that. Then what happened is I got in there and I started to set it down. We just buckled. That's fine. Hey, I was just trying to reuse some stuff that I had. Not a big deal. I can still reuse the wheels. I've got some 2x3 square tubing over there. Maybe I'll have to go that route, you know? And I already have it, so it didn't cost me anything. I just have to cut it. All right, I've come up with plan B for plan B. Plan B? Plan B. Yeah, we're gonna weld something. Not today. It's still 10 to 12 to 1 in the afternoon from 4 months ago, November, whatever. So stick around for part 2 of the whatever we're gonna call this thing. Getting the junk out of the way. Yeah, we just went a little walk. Now, remember, that stuff's not gonna live there, but we got the topper, we got the frame over here out of the way. Out of the way. It's just in the way back here. You just don't have to look at it. On second thought, I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wrap this video up. We'll make the other one doing its own thing. And on that note, hope you enjoyed this short video and keep on wrenching.